Hello guys. Today it's Friday. Yung shishi today making soup. Ito yung ugat ng kugon. Ramot ti panaw. Tapos ito yung unas tubo. Tsaka yung ugat ng kugon. Kung gusto nyong maging healthy, masarap to. Healthy pati to. Yung kung hindi kayo masyadong nakakaihi, kung may UTI kayo, this is good for you. You can try. Yummy. Delicious. Try nyo to. Napakasarap. Ito lang ingredients niya. Yung yung ramot ti panaw. Tapos unas. Tapos may nut siya. Tapos yung dry na lychees. Tapos siyempre yung buto. Tapos para magkalasa din. Pero kung gusto nyo, kahit wala nito, lang naman to eh. Kahit ito lang dalawa, yung ugat ng kugon tsaka yung tubo. Masarap na to. Kaya try you guys. Healthy. Soup, healthy to. Tapos ito yung gagawin kong i-steam mamaya. Lagyan ko ng salted beans. Okay, thank you for watching. You can try also this one. This is the ugat ti kugon, ugat ti ramot iti panaw, ken unas. You can try also. No, the UTI yung kakabsat. Try nyo yan. Thank you for watching. Bye. So for tonight. Bye-bye.